We have 2 Chinese pistache trees in our front yard, one on either side of our driveway near the street. We planted them about the same time, about 15 years ago, and both have been good, healthy trees. This spring, the bark started splitting on one of the trees. We decided to wait and see how it did for the season. It leafed out fully, just like the other one. Now, large pieces of bark are falling off. What, if anything, should we do? And this is Larry from Wichita, Kansas.
Yes.
So, what do you think about that?
I like pistache trees. They're very good trees. And this is the problem that happens when you plant something trying to be even on both sides. Something will happen to one and then it won't be even anymore. Right. But yeah, it looks like, actually from the picture, the tree looks stressed. Yeah. Like it's not leafing out like it should. And also, based on the picture, it's near the street. Yeah. And during the winter, they get snow there. I'm just wondering if some kind of mechanical damage happened to that tree without them realizing it from either moving snow around or something that caused it to start declining. But because of where it is and because it's a large tree, I would tend to want to remove it, and if you want to plant another one, plant it further back away from the street. Okay. If you're going to do that. But I think it looks like a mechanical, because there's not a whole lot that bothers pistache trees, but if you get a mechanical injury, then other things can start infecting the tree. And that's what it looks like to me, that it had some kind of physical injury that's now causing it to not do well.
Right. So let me ask you this. What zone?
Oh, that's true. Pistache
tree. I think that could make a difference.
And that could be part of the problem too, is because pistache trees really like zone 7 through 9. Okay. And where he is in Kansas is zone 6. Right. So it's a little bit, it will live there, but it's not as happy as it would be further south. So that's the other problem, between some kind of mechanical injury and this is being not quite in the zone that it prefers is why it might be struggling.
I think so. Could be, yeah. And everything else would be secondary, like what bores.
Yeah, bores, everything else is.
All right, Larry, we appreciate that question. Sorry about that. All right, just keep it as comfortable as possible, keep it watered, keep it fertilized. Yeah. We'll see. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.